Hello friend, today we are going to discuss the Curtius rearrangement reaction, it also known as decomposition reaction. The Curtis rearrangement reaction, it is also known as thermal decomposition reactions. In here, the acyl azide undergoes decomposition to form isocyanate. Now, this isocyanate it will undergoes in presence of different types of nucleophiles such as water molecules, alcohol or primary amine to form carbamate, amines and urea derivative. These are the product of this Curtis rearrangement reaction. Now in this lecture we can understand how to get carbamates, amines, urea derivative from these reactions. Therefore, we have to need here to learn detailed mechanism of this reaction. In reaction mechanism, there are two possible steps. In step first, there is generation of acyl azide. This acyl azide can be generated from the reaction between acid chloride and sodium azide to form isocyanate as a intermediate of this reaction. Now in this first step we can generate here the isocyanate, and then the isocyanate reacted in presence of nucleophile to form different types of product from these reactions. Now here we can explain the step first, that is generation of acyl azide. Here the sodium azide act as a nucleophile and the acid chloride molecules. The reaction between acid chloride and sodium azide, in here the nitrogen contain non-bonded pair of electrons act as electron donor toward the electron deficient carbonyl carbon atom, that is del positive and del negative. Here this bonding electron shifted toward the more electronegative oxygen atoms to form. Here the elimination of chloride and take place. The oxygen containing non-bonded pair of electrons shifted to form a single to double bond, and then this Cl eliminate with its bonding pair of electron, that is Cl minus ions, to form. Now here this non-bonded pair of electron on the nitrogen atom coordinate with this nitrogen atom to form a double to triple bond. Then these bonding electrons shifted toward this nitrogen atoms to form acyl nitrine. This molecule decomposes to eliminate N2 gas. Here decomposition of this molecule to eliminate N2 gas to form undergoes rearrangement reaction. Here the nitrogen containing bonding electrons shifted toward these nitrogen and carbon atoms, and then the R group, it may be alkyl, aryl, migrate from this carbon toward the nitrogen atom, that is rearrangement of this R group to form the intermediate of this reaction, that is isocyanate R N, here double bond C double bond O, formation of isocyanate, that is intermediate of this reaction. In step second, the isocyanate molecule reacted in presence of variety of nucleophile, that is nucleophilic attack on isocyanate molecules such as water molecules, alcohol molecules or primary amine on the isocyanate molecule to form a variety of product from these reactions like carbamate, amines and urea derivative. Now in this second step we can explain here the how to get the carbamate, amine and urea derivative by reaction with isocyanate and different nucleophilic reagent. Here there is use of water molecule as a nucleophile. The water molecule oxygen contain non-bonded pair of electrons act as electron donor toward the electron deficient this carbon atom. Here the shifting of electron take place from oxygen to carbon atoms. Then this bonding electron shifted toward the more electronegative oxygen atoms to form. Here the oxygen is positive charge. Therefore, this bonding electron shifted toward the oxygen atoms, and then this oxygen contain negative charge abstract this H plus ions to form the molecule like. Now here again this bonding electron shifted to form single to double bond, and then this bonding electron shifted toward the nitrogen atoms. There is nitrogen negative charge. The negative charged nitrogen atom abstract this H plus ions and to form the molecule like. Now here the oxygen hydrogen bonded electron shifted toward the oxygen carbon atom to form a single to double bond. There is elimination of carbon dioxide, and this H plus ion abstract by this nitrogen atoms. That is, this bonding electron shifted toward the nitrogen atom. Therefore, nitrogen is a negative charge. The negative charged nitrogen atom abstract this H plus ions to form the product of these reactions like R NH2 and elimination of byproduct, that is carbon dioxide gas. Here, if you have the isocyanide molecule reacted in presence of the nucleophile like alcohol molecules, then you can get from this isocyanide to form carbamide molecules, and the isocyanide reacted in presence of primary amine, again we can get the substituted urea derivative. In this Curtis reaction, there is rearrangement of take place. Here the R group migrated from the carbon to nitrogen atoms. Therefore, the migratory aptitude in this reaction is, if your tertiary group is present with these carbon atoms and another secondary group, in that case the migratory aptitude is tertiary is first migrate, then secondary, as well as aryl groups, and then primary. These are the migratory aptitude in this Curtis reaction. These are the two practice example. You can explain its mechanism as well as product formations.